Introducing TELUS Health Medical Alert, offering 24/7 access to emergency support at the push of a button, so you can feel more ease and care every step of the way. Small and discreet, it's equipped with state-of-the-art fall detection, featuring the longest battery life of any mobile medical alert device in Canada. TELUS Health Medical Alert Pendant helps you communicate clearly. The central call button makes it easy to call for help when you need it. Dual noise-canceling microphones and a clear two-way speaker help you communicate with a medical alert operator. An emergency alert is triggered when the pendant detects a fall or when you press your pendant's emergency button for 3 seconds. If you do fall, do not wait for the call. Always press and hold the button for help when possible. When triggered, your device's indicator light will turn blue, and your pendant will ask if you need help or if you would like to cancel fall detection via call cancellation feature. If you can respond and need help, a trained medical alert operator will communicate through your pendant's two-way speaker. The medical alert operator will assess the situation and contact a loved one or emergency services to assist you. TELUS Health Medical Alert Pendant features state-of-the-art fall detection. If your device detects a fall or you push the button, you can ask for help and be connected to a medical alert operator. The new call cancellation feature makes it easy to cancel calls if you accidentally trigger your device. If you're unable to respond, the medical alert operator will follow the instructions you set on your profile, including calling designated loved ones. If loved ones can't be reached, or if you're still unable to respond, the operator will contact emergency services. TELUS Health Medical Alert comes with the Caregiver Mobile app to help keep your loved ones connected without disturbing you. The Caregiver Mobile app can share notifications and activity insights with your loved ones right to their phone. Caregivers can learn about pendant location, low battery alerts, step count, and more. Simply call us to customize your contact list and set permissions. Your contacts will get an email invitation to set up the Caregiver Mobile app on their phone. You can wear your medical alert pendant discreetly on the provided lanyard. The lanyard uses an easy-release magnetic clasp that makes it easier and safer to wear. Or choose to wear your device on the provided belt clip. For more accuracy with the fall detection feature, it's recommended to wear TELUS Health Medical Alert using the provided lanyard on your chest over clothing. Don't let a little rain get you down. You can rest easy if your TELUS Health Medical Alert pendant gets a little wet because it features water-resistant protection. Go wherever life takes you, confidently, with TELUS Health Medical Alert.